That one's sweet. All right, you guys, we're at Microcenter. We got a MSI 750 watt power supply. This one's like 89 bucks, not including tax. But right now we're looking at some water coolers. Yeah, we can come up here and do like a water cooler.
Oh, it's 300.
Water coolers are 300. 259. That one's 99. That one's only $100. Well, that's a small radiator. Yeah, we can come up here and look at some. That was nice. But then we got to look and make sure it's AMD and not Intel. You know what I'm saying? Pretty sure they'll tell you on there. 120 millimeter fans. All right, and then I do want some filament. Wouldn't mind buying some filament. All right, let's take a look at the.
Get some storage.
I gotta see how much money I got left, but so I'm sorry to say it, but I think Amazon's got better prices on the graphics cards. So what would you want? Like a 40? I mean, 4060, man. That's.
I mean, those refurbished ones, pretty cheap, and there were some nice cards.
Yeah, 3080 Founders Edition cards.
Yeah, only 400 doesn't seem that bad.
Yeah, but $400, I'd rather just buy a brand new card for that much money. I just don't really like buying refurbished used stuff, especially buying at that type of price. Now, if it was like $300 or something like that.
That at 3070 for 300.
Yeah, but a
And I have
3070, I'm talking about like this for 300. That for like 150. You know what I'm saying? It's just not. I just can't buy. I'd rather just save up and buy it brand new. Get my own warranty on it. If anything's wrong with it, I can.
Those type, aren't you asking if they come with a warranty?
Yeah, you can buy Microcenter's warranty. All right. Let's go take a look at the. It's printing a Benchy. You got that boy printing pretty fast, too. It's a small little printer. I like that. This one's doing multicolor. It's extruding out the separate colors. Probably getting ready to purge for another color. That's sweet. It can do dual colors. Oh, it can do 4 colors. I wonder if I can buy that and put that on my printer. It's bought a whole control head and everything. Alright. So I found this PLA. Kind of looks Casper green. But that stuff right there is, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this. Print those fan shrouds. See if we can. Oh, that stuff's nice looking. See, I get stuck over here in the PLA. I don't know which color to get. Oh, what is that one? Neon green. How much is this? Oh, that's sick. That's way. I don't know. The neon green. Damn it. That's $24. That's 19. I need to look at fans. You gotta get fans too. I might not be able to get PLA right now. We got some DBG bolt power fans. I do need to get a bolt power fan for the ASIC miner, but this ain't USB. No, not at all. We'll keep looking at more fans. What's up, buddy?
I was just gonna say they have a terabyte SSD up there for 80.
Yeah, I don't have $80 right now. Just, but that's good to keep that note. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to look at some parts because we got to get fans too. We got to throw. I mean, if we're gonna try and build the rig today, and you want to try and get it running, you got to put a fan in the bottom of those up underneath the graphics card, just because right now it's running at negative pressure.
These black fans already don't look that bad.
Yeah, how much are they?
75.
Yeah.
The three.
Those are 120 fans right there.
These are all 10.
Look at these little 92 millimeter fans. Wait, 92 millimeters? Or 80 millimeters? Is that the size of the ASIC miner fans? If they had Noctua fans here, then. Oh shit, Dogecoin. So,
It'd be better if I were to open this.
just slide it open real quick. It's probably like 2 fans. Oh, it's not gonna. It's taped.
It's not tape,
I mean, I guess. Alright, next when we come up here, we gotta grab some SSDs. One for the low keys. Probably get something like that. Actually, this is RAM. So we need one for the low key light, for the 0. And we need SSDs for the Steam Deck. Alright, here we are looking at some Crucial. They got a 2 terabyte SSD for $124. Oh, they got one for $159, $89. That one's on sale right there. For $89. They got one for $60. That's only 250 gigabytes though. That one's a 1 terabyte for $80. Dang, that 1 terabyte right there for $67. I would have just went on here and picked that up. All the good ones are already gone. Dang it. Well, YouTubers, I made a mistake and ended the video, so we're starting off at a second video. They got monitors here at a pretty nice price. I was looking for a USB fan for the ASIC miner, but I didn't see none over there, so I'm probably gonna $189 for that. I need one of those. And so we picked up 2 fans. Just gonna go with straight black. Xavier don't really like RGB, so I'll probably walk over to the maker section, check out some RGB stuff, and I need to look at some gamer chairs because we all need to get some gamer chairs in our room. I got chairs for like $260. I ain't got no $50 chairs. I'm just going Amazon some $50 chairs. Oh, we're not going to the maker section, man? Oh, they got TV mounts. $269. So their chairs are like $200. Hey, I'm about to go check out the maker section, dude. I gotta go find like a USB fan or something. I do need a new keyboard, but we're getting out of price budget now. Oh, we need Ethernet cable, man. That's what we needed. $69. That's a sweet keyboard. It's wireless. Yeah, that's probably wireless. Oh, that one coming to mouse. That one look retro. Oh, that's sick. That's doing it right there. Take a 41 keyboard. Oh, it's a 60%. Yeah, I like the one where I got all my numbers and everything. I got my keypad and everything in like a normal keyboard. That one's nice. That one looks all retro. I like that. 180 keys. I got one for 34 right here. Red Dragon Fuse. Man, I might pick that up. I just don't. It ain't got all my keys though. I might have to not get the filament and get a keyboard. I hate that because I'm like a sucker for buying keyboards. Alright, Now we're over in the maker section. They don't have a lot of Raspberry Pi stuff. But I'm looking for a 5-pin connector that I go USB, so that way I could just run a desktop fan on the ASIC miner. Oh, they got some feather boards. They still got some feather boards left. Oh, they got the Raspberry Pi tower case. The mini tower case. I should put my Pi 4 in that. It's $39.99. Solar panel. Powered ice river off solar. Yeah, I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. Wait. No, that's just a micro USB cable. Got nothing that's the 5-wire cable. I'd have to Amazon it. I've seen a fan that I can use on Amazon. They found a Lego kit. Oh yeah, we do need more switches for our PCs too. I need to find like a 4080 resistor. That way I can fix that board on the furnace. I get the control board. But I don't think I can order that control board. Oh, they do got Raspberry Pis. They're just all the way in the back. They don't have no Pi 4s. They got a Pi 0 with hat. They don't have no Pi. They got a Pi 5. Oh, I'm out here. I should get one. Look, they got 4 gigabyte, 8 gigabytes. Oh, I wonder what it can mine and what games it can play. I wonder if it can play Dreamcast pretty well. Pretty cool. What does that one have in it? Intel 14 core i5 1300, 13500, 4.8 gigahertz, so Windows 11, 16 gigabytes DDR5, 512 gigabytes solid state drive. Alright, so after we walked around, we're just gonna get some fans, power supply. We need can of air so I can clean the 3060, and then we'll get his PC built. My nephew's gonna come over. He's gonna help me like professionally edit a video. So we'll do something pretty cool. Oh, the MIG switch came in. We need an SD card. So when we get up here, yeah, we'll just buy like a cheap Microcenter SD card or something like that. And I'll stop and grab us something to eat. And then we'll be back home so we can build a PC. See you guys back at the shop. Alright, you guys, so we're leaving Microcenter now. We ended up overspending, and I forgot my wallet, but thank God that my son had his Cash App card on him. I ended up getting me a keyboard, which I probably didn't need, and I saw a cool keyboard I'm about to get Xavier for his birthday, for his PC build and everything. So we ended up buying 2 fans for Xavier's PC, and we ended up getting 2 fans for Adrian's PC coming up, or for his build that we already did, but we got to put more fans in his PC. It's a little hot. So right now we're on our way back home. We're going to find us a gas station so that we can buy some Mountain Dews or some Dr. Peppers, or maybe just a Faygo, Michigan made. So I'm going to try and get all these videos edited together. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'll figure out how to edit them all together. Maybe I can do that on my Android. I don't know. I'm not sure. So like, share, subscribe, you guys. Peace and love. God bless. And we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, Xavier?